Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by a brand called Letscom. Pretty much what it is a Bluetooth wireless headphone that you can use for runs, for daily usage. Pretty much you guys can use this for basically anything ranging from like daily usage in the office, at home, for runs, anything you guys want to. Mainly they say that this is for sports because it's waterproof and water resistant and sweat proof. And then one thing I want to mention is that when you guys look at this product on Amazon, they actually have like 13,000 reviews on this product, so a lot of people use this product. And for the price for this product, it's kind of amazing as well. But before we talk about whether or not it's actually worth it or not, let's do the unboxing first and show you guys what comes out the package first. So when you first open the package, you guys get these stuff inside here, you guys can see. So they give you a user manual, instruction guide on how to set up a product and how to use it, and all the different functionality that's on here. Then you guys get the actual case itself with all the headphone and accessory on here. So right here, you guys can see, here's the case itself. There's a little logo right there of the brand logo right there. And then when you guys open the zipper part, this is pretty much what you get inside. So you guys get the Bluetooth wireless headphone right here. Then you guys get the accessories on here, which is a micro USB cable to USB cable to charge the product. And then they give you guys some extra ear tips so you can use these as well if you guys want to. If the one that they provide you does not really fit your ear as well, then you guys can change it based off that. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the package. Now let's look at the Bluetooth wireless headphones right here. So if you guys can see right here, this is what it looks like if it focus. So right there you guys can see there's a logo on each side. We have this very nice little design right here. So on the right side of the earpiece, if you guys click down this button, this is how you guys turn off and on the product. So right here on the top of the headphone, you guys can see there's a plus and minus sign, and that's how you guys would change the volume setting to increase it or decrease it. And then also for this button right here, for the on and off power switch right here, you guys can actually use that to kind of like answer calls, reject calls, and pause and play the music. Let's look at the bottom part right here. If you guys can see, this is where you guys would plug in the micro USB cable to actually charge it, if you guys can see. And you guys can just close it back in place, make sure it's all sealed. If you guys are bringing this for any kind of water activity, then make sure that part is sealed so that way the product won't get damaged inside and whatnot. So you guys can kind of see right there, but that's pretty much the mic right there. So when you guys put that part on and you guys want to talk and whatnot, that's where the audio will be recorded when you guys are trying to make a call and whatnot. So that's pretty much everything that's on the product. Now I'm going to put it on and show you guys what it looks like and kind of test it out and then give you guys the feedback about the product. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like when you guys have it into your ear correctly and everything. So this part is actually really nice, so that way you can hold it in, so that way when you guys listen to music or running or whatnot, this part won't fall off because it's hooked around your ear, so you guys get that extra security and protection from having the product fall off and whatnot. And having that is pretty cool, but you guys also have this string around your neck to kind of like make sure you guys have that extra protection. So if it does fall, if this part falls off, you guys still have this part to kind of like drop off right there. So if you guys wanted to, you guys can just take it off like that and it hangs right there for extra security. One thing that this product does not have that a lot of other products have is the fact of the magnet. So you guys remember I actually reviewed a product in the past where there's a little magnet right here. So you guys clip it in place, then it won't like move a lot or won't get lost. So that way you guys know it's always there. This one doesn't have that. So that's definitely some of the cool functionalities about this product so far, but let me play some music and kind of test it out and give you guys the feedback of what it sounds like. Let me just say, wow, I could totally see why there's over 13,000 reviews for this product. When I was listening to the audio, it was like so perfect. Like you guys can hear every single lyrics, every single vocal on the song and everything. But then the moment it hit the bass, I was like, wow. Because the bass was like perfect. And I haven't heard like a headphone that can perform the bass just as well as that. Like, to be honest, that was really amazing. Like, it balanced out the bass to the point where it didn't overpower the vocals. And the bass was really strong to the point where I'm just like, oh my god, I'm in love. Because if you guys don't know, you guys don't watch enough of my videos, then you guys don't know that I actually love it when the bass is really powerful. And powerful enough to the point where you guys can still hear the audio really nice. And the bass is really clear. The audio is really clear. that's like the perfect combo, and this pretty much does that. Like I only listened a minute of that song and that was really amazing. And then like literally the moment you guys put this headphone on, you guys get that noise cancellation kind of like feeling when you guys put it on because of the little ear tips as well. So you guys get that noise cancellations kind of like feeling and audio, so that way you guys don't hear your surrounding, which is pretty amazing. You guys get the amazing audio, amazing bass, like the perfect combo for a headphone. And this headphone only costs $19. But the thing you guys have to remember of the reason why it costs so cheap compared to like AirPods and everything, because of the AirPods you guys get like multiple things. You guys get the case, you guys get the little earbuds itself, and then you guys get that very easily usage of the little earbuds, so you just stick it on there and you guys don't get all this extra stuff to kind of like be all in your way. But I kind of prefer having all this stuff in the way sometimes because you guys get that better audio and more security to hold it in place so you guys don't drop it. Like if you guys drop the little AirPods itself, then you guys have to find a new one or buy a new one, and it's not cheap to replace it. But next up, let's talk about the battery life. How long did it last? So on one full charge on this product, it lasts around 8 hours. And then when you guys are done with your 8 hours or less than 8 hours run or something, just plug it in, just have it plugged into something so you guys can use it later on if you guys need to. And then the charging time for this product doesn't take too long as well. So let me actually show you guys how to charge it and what it looks like when you guys are charging it. And then come back and talk about whether or not the product is worth it or not. Alright, so here we have the headphones. As you can see, there's the micro USB slot right here to plug in to charge it right there. And there's an indicator light right here to show you guys whether or not it's actually charging or not. So I'm going to plug this in first to show you guys whether or not it's actually charging or not. Alright, so we have the product plugged in, and you guys can see the indicator light right there that's red. So when it's fully charged, the red light will go away, and then it'll pop up a new light that will show you guys whether or not it's fully charged or not. So that's pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product on how to charge the product and how to kind of see when the product is fully charged and whatnot, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So during that test when I was charging the product to see how long it takes to fully charge the product, I noticed that it didn't take more than 2 hours to fully charge the product, so it's actually a really fast charge, especially since this product is so small. I'm pretty sure that the product was fully charged within an hour, but I didn't check it until 2 hours because I was doing something else. One thing you guys have to know is that it doesn't take more than 2 hours to fully charge the product because it's so small and so compact, so it doesn't need to charge as long as other products that needs to be charged like longer, like your Cohen headphones I've tested or AirPods. So because those last longer, those last for up to 24 hours or more, whereas this one only lasts up to 8 hours. So that's definitely one thing to kind of consider as well. But pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not this product is worth it for $19 or $20 depending on when you guys buy it and whether or not it has tax or not, honestly, for me, I would say that it's definitely a huge steal to get this product. Like so many people use this product that you guys can kind of like trust the customers' feedback about this product because it's over 13,000 reviews on this. And then for me, from my test, if you guys believe me or not, that's up to you guys. But the audio is amazing, the bass is amazing. The fact that this product is waterproof, sweatproof, and water resistant, and the fact that you guys get that noise cancellation kind of like feeling and audio on this is really amazing. Especially since this only costs $20, you guys can get like a bunch of these and just have it as a backup or something. Or if you guys want to use one for 8 hours and you guys want to charge it up and use another one, so you guys can get two. So then that way you guys can use the product for up to 16 hours because you guys have one for 8 hours and the other one for another 8 hours. But like how I say in all my videos, if you guys don't need this or don't want one of these, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to turn on your bell notification in the bottom with that little bell icon, and you guys will be notified of new videos that will come out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have